how to reset your Waze password if you have forgotten it. Now in that case, you just simply need to open Waze and tap to these three vertical lines from top left corner. And from here, just simply tap to view profile and again tap to the profile in order to open your account information and log in. Then tap to password under login information, and now after coming to the password, it will tell you to enter your current password. But in that case, if you have forgotten, you need to tap into this forgot your password button in order to reset your password. Now first of all, you need to enter the email address which is connected with your this Wage account, and then tap to send email, and it will send an email in your mail. And then you will just simply need to open the email and tap to the reset password button, and when you do that, you will be prompted to a browser where you can easily set up a new password for your Wage account. This is how you can easily reset your password for your Waze app. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.